me see. Oh, here it is. Is that one?
So I'm go ahead.
This one's not in here. So I just got this transfer foil too. I forget what number this is, like 96 or something like that.
So hi.
All Christmas.
What do you do? What do you sound? Hi, Facebooks and YouTube and Twitch. We are streaming in the 4 platform. If you're hearing a voice on the other end, it is because we having on the streaming with Glitz brand ambassador. This lady is absolutely amazing. So if you would like to watch 3 of us, we are on platforms on Instagram as well. We're doing Vicky. She's doing an unboxing, and Isabel is gonna do a crystal placement on her fingernails. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. Isabel is so perfect. And Vicky has glow in the dark. That's a glow in the dark stickers, Vicky.
Yeah, I know. I should see if I can get it.
Did you know?
I don't know if I turn my light off. Ow, I have too much light in here. I got so many lights on in my house.
So I got is the
so
first
cute.
coat is the condensed glue gels, and then I did apply is no wipe top coat, which is coming with the crystal trifecta. So all of your crystal kits are $199 or more. When you are after the discount, you are going to receive the crystal bestie, which is a crystal trifecta. So that's everything you need for it to make it your crystal placement to the next level. So I'm go ahead and add this one. It's just so beautiful. The colors as it's from the kids. Vicky had this kid. She's like, oh, I can't leave without. She had 2 kids.
I have every single crystal kit we've ever made.
So what did you do?
And I have all the Insta crystals in the packs. And then she came out with this kit. And I couldn't leave without it. You guys. It has colors that we don't have in the Insta packs. And I haven't even opened anything yet.
She's gonna put it in the museum.
I should have in the museum. No way. That's where my flowers are. Those are just for me. But I haven't even opened it. So here it is.
Isaac, you know what? I'm not gonna blame on you. It's just I would keep it for myself too. So it's for VIP.
In here. 20 different colors, you guys, and they're so amazing. There's over, 14,000 crystals in this kit.
Yes.
So, and you just can't beat the price. So I got it. And then I got our other crystals because it was such an amazing deal and I was starting to run low on some. And I thought, well, I need to restock. And that's the cheapest way to restock. So that's what I did.
Yes, you can never go wrong with this.
No. But now I want to take it to work. But then if I take it to work, I have to bring it back home every time to do all of my lives. I'm like, oh my gosh, back and forth.
Let's get another.
So this is
there's another gift.
Oh, there's one more. So this is everything I got in my treasure bag. So this is what you get. What is the value of this? Like $45?
Yes, $40 to $45. So you get a lot.
They normally sell for $19.99. You get $45 worth of stuff, but you get. This was themed for Christmas. This one. So everything in here goes with the theme.
So awesome. It's like
nice.
Never have.
You're doing your own fingernail. Awesome. As I told Daisy, I have to go back and forth, you guys. I work in a salon. I own a salon in town by me. And all of my glitz is there right now. I have all the new stuff that I just got is here, but I already have every single polish. And so I have none home here. I'm like, I don't have anything to do a nail with. I'm like, well, I guess I could do one of my nails, but they're 2 weeks old right now, so I'm getting ready to take them off.
Don't take it off.
Switching,
Can I get the beads?
No, I'm going to be doing because look,
I'm going to get the beads out from here.
I got
this is a cool thing about this kits is have a huge, like, a pack of the metal beads. And then, stay tuned, the biggest of the year's crystal kit is a huge, beautiful crystal kit. It's gonna reveal shortly. We've been working with
another kit coming out.
Yes. It's for the Black Friday. The Black Friday kit, of course, every year we always have what we're doing. Have the new kits for special event, which is the Black Friday and the anniversaries, and then It's not necessary the kit is the same. We always prepare and study what is the best for you on the different occasions. So you're gonna see
Do
the
we have a
huge.
sneak peek?
Yes, we do. See if I can able to. If I can able to get the.
Sneak peek.
If Lily's can
Okay,
let
I've been
me.
dying to see what's in my sub box, so I'll open this next. But look, it comes so cute.
What did you get it on
so-
yours? What did you get it on yours? Everything. How many items did you get in there? I'm curious because I doing a nail, so I don't get to see it. So you gotta explain to us.
Oh, on my mystery?
Yeah.
Let's put it away. I got 2 stickers, 2 sticker packs. I got the foils. Then I got the big crystals, the nail art crystal, and then I got the glitters, the Chanel blue glitter. I got a transfer foil. What else did I get in there? I put it away. I like everything neat and tidy, so I put it all back in.
You put it back in?
I did.
And you're gonna send it to me for Christmas?
Sure. Sure. You'll be done. I won't have to go shopping. No, actually, your Christmas gift got delivered yesterday. Haha. You want to see it?
Yes.
In the box. It's in the box.
I'm so bad. I can't wait.
I didn't even open the box because I know it's in there. And if I open the box, oh, and then I got the transfers. Hey, you made me take it all out.
Okay, take a second
So
to look at my
1,
design.
2,
You like it?
3, 4. Super cute.
Before I clear. You like it?
I have to. It's hard for me to see. Oh my gosh, what is that?
I'm
God,
using.
it looks so cute.
I'm using the crystal kits, and then I use the that one, the sapphire, like the ones in the newest crystal kits.
I'm so happy to have more colors to work with.
Yes, right. It's more
Especially with the
centerpiece.
holidays, with Christmas and New Year's, I use a lot of colors, and I have